Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how to make the best fish roast. I'm using mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Spring onions, peppers, carrots. To begin, in a pot, I'll add the fish, which is nicely cleaned and cut. I'll season with onions, garlic, peppers, thyme, season powder, salt, add some water. And stir. I'll cook the fish on a medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. The fish is ready. I'll remove the fish from the stove and I'll be deboning the fish. Take out all of the bones from the fish. Use the fork to mash the fish a bit and set that aside. In a pan, add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, add diced onions. Fry the onions for about 5 minutes. Add pepper and stir. Add the fish, carrots, season powder, and stir. I'll cook it for about 5 minutes and I'll finish it up with the spring onions and stir. Once that is done, remove the filling from the stove and set that aside. Allow it to cool down completely before using it. In a large bowl, I will measure in sifted flour. Add sugar, salt, baking powder, powdered milk, and grate some nutmeg. Stir to combine the dry ingredients together. I'll add margarine. You can use butter as well. Mix until everything is nicely combined. Add egg. Add water gradually. Mix until you get a nice dough. All ingredients should be at room temperature. If the dough is too hard, add a little bit of water and mix it until it's nicely combined. The dough shouldn't be too soft and it shouldn't be too hard. I'll cover and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, remove the napkin. I just bring the dough a little bit, just like so. And transfer the dough to a work surface. Divide the dough into the size you're going to be working with. In a bowl, I will measure in 2 tablespoons of flour. Add water. Stir until it is well combined. This will be used to seal the dough. You can use egg wash, milk, or water to seal the dough. Flour the work surface. Place the cut dough and roll the dough to be very flat. The dough should be as flat as what you can see in this video. Brush with the flour we just mixed. Add some of the fish filling and cover the fish roll. Brush the edge with the flour to seal it properly, and then close it just like so. Roll the fish roll tightly. Repeat this process until you are done. The fish rolls are ready for frying. In a pan, add oil and start heating it up. After some time, I'll check the oil temperature with a skewer. Once the oil is hot, add the fish rolls and fry them on medium heat. After some time, stir them and turn them so the fish rolls can fry nicely without getting burnt. And once the fish rolls are golden brown, they are ready. Take them out of the hot oil, transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the fish rolls. The fish rolls are ready, very crunchy outside and super delicious inside. I'll open it so you can see what it looks like inside it. And these fish rolls were so delicious. My whole family loves it. You can enjoy it with any drink of your choice, and you can save the leftover fish rolls in the refrigerators as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.